Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. When somebody was trying to do my video that I did, I don't know when, he sent me the video, and he's having trouble with the interior circle. He can't color it blue. So we're just gonna recreate it and maybe we'll find out what happened. So we're gonna just take a circle. We're gonna hit P, put it in the center of the page. Real important on this little one. Go to Effects and Contour. We're gonna contour the outside 0.25, so we'll have 3 rings. We're gonna go ahead and break the contour apart. Then we're gonna take an ellipse, doesn't really matter what size. I'm gonna hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm gonna select them all and I'm gonna hit T to put them to the, well, that didn't work. So what we need to do is join these, Control G, put this back in the center of the page and then hit select it all and hit T like in Tom, so it puts it to the top, just so you can kind of zoom in and then grab that ellipse and with your 4 point, once you start moving it, hold on to your, and have it snap to that grid. Now this time we're gonna go the same thing with 3. We're gonna go ahead and move it back up, holding down until you get the 4 point. And then that's actually way too big, but it'll work for the video. I'd go ahead and go Object Break Contour Apart. And this is what he's doing. He's trying to get away from the double lines that are gonna be in there when you do it this way. So we're gonna go and we want this shape to continue. We want this shape to continue. So that's a sweep. We'll have another sweep. Actually, I guess you only had one. And yeah, this will be a sweep too. So we're gonna have 3 on this one. Should not matter. Now, what his problem is, he's actually rotating it and then deleting lines. And let's just see what happens. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it, move your rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is. You know what we need to do? We need to back up and group this together. Control G, Control D and duplicate it. Move the center rotation to the center. Rotate it 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now he's going through and deleting those extra lines. Not too difficult. Just a little bit of time. And there's a way to probably do this pre-hand. And if I think about it, I'll make another video. You could rotate one and then delete them, and I think you're gonna get in more trouble. But what's happening, if it works like he said it did, so what we're doing, we're just creating the sweep, so the different colors. And that's good that we're gonna have 3 colors. And go ahead and delete, virtual segment, delete key. It's funny because now you're looking at it upside down. So what's happening now is when he takes the Smart Fill tool and fills that in, it fills in. So I don't know what he's doing wrong. It did not do it to mine. He says when he fills that in, it fills in the circle. So okay, see what happened right there? My rectangle, he actually sent me the file and I couldn't get it to weld or anything. I could get it to weld, but it just kept leaking. The Smart Fill tool stopped on that line. Now you can take another color. It's a pretty cool design. Let's go with the inside. So maybe he just, I don't know, maybe he missed a step. Let's make the outer one blue. And what that's doing is just, it's wrapping around and then stopping like a racetrack. Whoop. So I don't know what he was doing wrong, but if he follows the steps I just did, he should be fine. I think he actually tried to delete the lines as they were going around, and you might have too many. See, this is a completely sealed up. I mean, he sent me the file, and if you try to fill that in, it fills in the whole thing. Something's leaking. I've tried welding it. It's all one piece, but you can see even, let's go to Docker's join curves, and let's join these curves and see what happens. It's a funny node. Let me go ahead and get the rectangle back. See, something's fishy about his artwork. I don't know what it is. Anyway, but if he follows the steps I just did, you ought to be able to reduplicate that. And you could do, you could have twice as many and rotate them 45 degrees and have this kind of a colored loop. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.